Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sabria and today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day look, showing you how I went from this daytime soft glam to a nighttime more bold with a little darker colors and a little bit of sparkle. So I'm going to start by priming my face with Mercier moisturizer. Then I'm going to go in with my eyebrow pencil. So I did have stitches on this eyebrow, so it is a lot harder for me to get it even, but I'm going to do as best as I can. Then I'm just going to go in with my ColourPop concealer and just straighten everything and even everything out. So after I just drag the concealer down to my eyelid and just go ahead and blend that in, get it going as a base for my eyeshadow instead of using a primer. So I'm going to take my ColourPop Dream palette and go on with the neutral color and just blend that all over my eyelid. Alright, so we're going to start with our bold pink and just pat that on the outside, on both sides, and then I'm just going to go ahead after that and blend everything in. So I'm going to go ahead now and put a lighter pink on the inside and then get ready to put on my foundation. So I'm going to start with the Tatcha primer. Then I'm going in with my Too Faced Born This Way foundation. And also I'm going to mix in a little bit of Nars because the color seemed a little bit too orange. Just blend, blend, blend. And at first it never seems to match me, but once I add my concealer and everything gets a little bit better. So I'm going in with my ColourPop concealer, which I love so much. Blending a little more on the eyes while my concealer sets. And then after this, I'm just going to go ahead and blend everything out. Okay, so since this is the daytime, I'm just going to blend my concealer out and just add a little bit of powder for baking. I usually do more baking later at nighttime so that you don't have too much powder on your face. So now I'm just going in with my bronzer. Did my nose, contoured my nose, contour my face, add a little bit of color. And then just going back in with that eyeshadow to even everything out because it was a little pinker than I wanted. So as you can see, I'm just adding my eyeliner. And at this point, my camera died for my other eyeliner, but I am just going to go ahead and put on my lashes. These are the Ardell Demi Wispy lashes, my favorite lashes because they look so natural, but they still give you a pop. So absolutely love these eyelashes, especially if I'm going to work and I don't want to be too dramatic. So now I'm just going to go ahead and do my bottom lashes with some mascara and not putting mascara on the top until later. Going in with a lip liner and going to finish off my lips with a lipstick and 3 lip glosses. And I will put all the information in the description box below on the products that I use. Alright, so this is pretty much it for my Valentine's daytime look. I keep it very simple, a little basic and work appropriate. I don't really like to wear too much. So now I'm just going to go ahead and start my nighttime, how we transfer over. So we're going to go back in with that palette and take that same pink as the beginning and pack it on the outer lid. Just make it a lot more bold than what it was before. So we're just going to keep packing it on and then blend, blend, blend. Almost blending like a cut crease, but not too much. Really focusing on the outer V. So now we're going to go in with the glitter, but before this, I would recommend setting your under eyes with some translucent powder. That way you can just wipe it off once you're done. So I'm pretty much just going to pack that on, and we're just going to do a little more blending, adding a little more color to the outside, making it a little bit darker. So for a more bold look, I like to smoke out my bottom lash. So I'm just going to go in with a really thin brush and just pack some color onto the bottom. I haven't perfected this much, but it's all about blending. So you just want to blend, blend, and more blend. So just going to add some mascara and then going to get my black eyeliner to put it on my bottom waterline just to make the eyes more defined. Makes everything pop a little bit more. And adding a little upper brow highlight. And since I didn't set my under eyes, I'm just going to go in with some concealer and use a small brush to just blend everything out. Also helps my under eyes pop. I usually like to use this too to help blend through the creases so you don't really see too many fine lines. So just going to blend that out. And there we're going to go with Mercier translucent powder to go ahead and do a little bit of baking. And I do crease very easy, so I don't leave the powder on for too long, just for a few seconds or a minute or so. So I'm just going to add my blush, and that is pretty much it. So this is how I like to do my makeup for Valentine's Day. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it and this was helpful for you. And that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.